Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today we have this shipped from Amazon. This is Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As I'm opening this, I always want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other videos. If you like cool t-shirts like this one right here, go to riptapparel.com, R-I-P-T apparel.com. Use my username and you'll save some money off of your shirts, and I get a couple bucks in credit. So I do the Amazon subscribe and save. I am not sponsored by Amazon or any of these products, but I would love to be. If you want to be my sponsor, slide up in my DMs. So this is Bod Spray Cologne. Smells really good, spoiler alert. I do the subscribe and save for this, so we get it for like $6, and it smells really good. And then this stuff is a lifesaver. I use this every day, multiple times a day, before I go to work, before my workout. The Salonpas spray. If you recommend something else that works better, by all means, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Maybe something that smells better. I work out 6 days a week. Check out some of my daily vlogs about my weight loss journey. And yeah, you'll see that this stuff comes in handy when you're a big guy trying to get fit, trying to get strong. So thanks. I don't know why I just went like that, but I did. Thanks a lot for watching. Wish you the best, and have a great day.